We're going on an island adventure. In British pounds, it's £31. There's 4 of us. And it's all boarded. 3 islands. 2,500 Filipino pesos. 6,363 Japanese yen. Oh. There's the driver. Oh, there's the driver. Everyone say, I'll say hello as well. I'm calling this one Crocodile Island because it looks like a crocodile. Crocodile Island. There's an island over there. I don't think we're going to that one. I'm not sure.
I know.
The waves have turned a bit rougher. A bit toppier now. As you see, I'm not sure about anything. A bit calmer here. Blue waters. Clear. I think this is our first island stop. And as close as it can. Without marooning it. Is that the word they use? I think so. There's the kids there on here. Happy New Year party. And with it. Somebody shouted. I must be back in Scotland. A woman shouting out a flat window. And so it looks, sand looks soft. I don't know what's going on. Go? Yeah? Okay. My hands are all full. Hang on. It's okay. There we go. I made it. I made it. So we're on what island? I don't know what island this is.
Okay, 100 pesos.
We're on an island anyway. A party. How? How? There's snorkeling might be around there. They're all walking from around there. Snorkeling might be around there. We'll find out first.
Titin talaga yun.
Shall I go? Okay, do you want me to go walk over? Shout him. You shout louder or I shout loud? Boatman! Need money! Peso! How many peso? How many? How much?
No.
50 each.
50.
Okay. Can I fly drone?
Drone?
Yeah.
You want to play?
Okay. You can watch my YouTube. You can see the island on my YouTube.
What's the name of your
This, take photo.
Baldy blogger? Ah, you blogger.
Yeah, okay. Do you want to be on camera? Do you want to be on it?
I will interview me.
Do you want to be on it? No. That's what I said. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. He's coming. Wait there, I'm here.
Wheels in Athens, Tesla miles without fail. Dreaming of Thailand, retired by the sea. Keep vlogging me. Vlogging the world, heart full of fire. Baldy leads the way, taking it higher. Hit play, subscribe, join the ride today. Vlogging the world, heart full of fire. Baldy leads the way, taking it higher. Hit play, subscribe, join the ride today.
Right, here we are on what island is this? I'm not sure. Let's see if this chap knows. Out there, go on. What's this island called? Island Fuku. Okay, nice. Where you going? Come back. It follows me. Yeah, it follows me. I'll put it behind me. Behind me. I'll walk up there, it'll follow me. Have a good day. Happy New Year. My pal behind me, following me.
Glasgow streets to Thailand shore. Baldy grabs his DJ pocket, ready to explore.
Konnichiwa! Ow, my feet. It's okay, won't. I'm gonna put this GoPro away and do some proper drone flying now.
Drum buzzing high in the sky. Temple street food under neon lights. Vlogging the world, one clip at a time. Japan's busy streets, Philippines climb. 5 years grinding, 15K strong and true. The Baldy vlogger, chasing that view.
Hope you enjoyed that drone footage. Hello. Happy New Year. Where life is peaceful. No rat race. Just peace. Nobody depends on money. Well, I suppose they do a little bit. Everyone wants money. But not like we do. As Westerners. As bad Westerners. There's more activity going on in this place than there does in Grace Island. Well, at the moment, Grace Island is pretty busy. There's activity today. They had a
a party house. Bus load. No buses going to there. 2 boat loads. So that's busy. The plane. Oh, yeah, buses and boats and planes and everything mixed up. I have to go and sit on the boat soaking wet, but we're the Philippines. Just got to do what you do. Watch for the crocodiles. Obviously there won't be any. There's a couple of jellyfish. It's as dangerous as we'll get. Let's walk around them. Won't be any crocodiles or alligators around here, or sharks even. Well, there might be some out there. No, I don't think there'll be any sharks. So just jellyfish I've got to watch out for. That's the first I've seen. Hope you enjoy my new style vlogs that I'm doing. I'm going to start watching them. And I try really hard. Don't have to do this. I do it for nothing. Lots of editing, cameras, everything. Anyway, I will not moan. Hang on, there's some fishies, little ones, little baby ones. I don't know if you can catch them. Not sure if you can catch them on camera or not. Not even sure if you catch my voice, I've got no mic anymore. Happy New Year! On YouTube? You'd be on YouTube, yes. Video?
Oh,
Okay.
Can I read the...
Okay.
Oh, the Baldy vlogger.
Take a photo.
Take a photo. Take a photo of the kitchen.
Oh.
Wait. How many subscribers do you have?
15,000.
Oh. Are you new or...
3-4 years.
Ah.
I want more subscribers though.
That's why you're here now.
Yeah, Philippines, they subscribe to me. Filipinos were the best.
So American or...
No, English. English.
So where you from?
I live in Glasgow in Scotland actually.
Oh.
You know Scotland? Kilts and bagpipes and all that. I live there. And my family over there, they're Japanese.
That's your family.
They're Japanese.
Oh, they're Japanese.
Yeah. Oh, it's not even on me. There we go, it's on me. I'm filming that. It's on me. Yeah, they're Japanese. So we're going to 2 more. We're staying on Grace Island. You know Grace Island?
No. We're new here.
You're new here?
You know, last year island.
Yeah? Alright, so you don't live here?
No.
Oh, you're on a trip?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You get on with your photo shoot.
Yes.
You got sand on your knees, so you need to get rid of your sand before you do the photo shoot.
Oh, okay. Thank you for that. Thank you.
I know you know. I know. Bye bye. See you on YouTube.
Sometimes go visit Timarara.
Timarara.
Timarara Island.
Oh, similar. Yeah, I will.
You're going there?
Yeah. I'm not, where is it near?
You don't know Timarara where?
Is it north, south? I was at Boracay.
Oh,
I was San Jose, Cebu. Down the bottom of Cebu with the turtles and stuff. Yeah. I'll go all over. Next time maybe. Alright, bye bye. Watching YouTube. Bye bye.
Hi, hello. Can we take a picture?
Yes, yes, yes.
A selfie or...
Yeah, it's up to you. It's up to you.
Ay, dyan na lang.
Well, no, you do it, your phone. Okay, thank you.
you.
Bye bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. Filipinos, always great. Oh, let's not get in the way. Let's not get in the way. Photo shoots everywhere. Hello. Oh, what's happening here? Look, a Baldy vlogger. I don't know what this is. Not sure. There's a smiley face. So I'm going to end this island here, and I'll get you at the next island. So this is dinner. What's this we got here? This is our dinner table. Very nice, isn't it? Grace resorts, Islander resorts. And we've got some salads, some pork, lechon, I'm not sure, and some, I'm not sure what they are. What do we have here?
That's grilled pork belly.
Grilled pork belly and chicken and salad. Okay, so that's what we got, but we'll be getting more because we're vegetarian there. She adds that. Right, okay. Thank you. So it's my last night here tonight. I was going to show you the rest of the food, babe. And my battery ran out over there, so never mind. But you've seen the gist of it, the gist of the food that you get. Breakfast, lunch and evening meal. All jolly good with drinks. So that's it, my last night. I won't be filming tomorrow because I've got a big travel day ahead. I'm going on the boat, then a taxi, then a bus, then a walk. So I've got to do that, concentrate on that. So my next vlog will probably be coming from Japan again. So I'm going back to Japan. I normally do hotel reviews, but I've been staying here a couple of days. This is more like a resort review. So resorts, if you want the Maldives in the Philippines for a fifth of the price, maybe a tenth of the price of the Maldives, come to Grace Island. That's all I'm saying. You'll thank me later. Bye bye.